Hi friend, this is Mandeep and you are watching High Technology TV. In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to do the initial setup for SAP LAMA. In our earlier video, we have installed our SAP NetWeaver version. Then we have upgraded that and we have installed the SAP LAMA components on that. So let's begin. First of all, let's log in into your SAP NetWeaver system. So here we are logging with administrator. Okay, so here it is coming differently. So what you have to do is first logo from here, go to settings. So this is happening after our upgrade. Search for cookies and here go to clear browsing data. So here we are deleting everything. So just select all time and then clear data. Close it once, then start it again. Then click on SAP NetWeaver Administrator. And here this time, as you are able to see, that it works perfectly fine. So let's zoom it a bit. So to do the configuration for SAP LAMA system, go to configuration, then scenarios, then configuration wizard, task not executed from here. And here we have one task, that is initial setup for SAP landscape management. So select this and click on start. So now it will do the initial setup for SAP landscape management. So here we are going with the custom. Here you are able to see that typical configuration automatically applies the default values and enable the default functional unit. But here we are going to define each and every parameter by ourselves. So select custom and click on next. Here we have to provide the administrator password. So let's provide that. And click on next. Here it is getting the input for installation type. Here we have to provide the SAP ADM password. Click on next. And now we have to enable the LVM authorization. So select this. And click on next. Here we do not want to create duplicate group. Create user. Create a user with name Mandeep and provide the password. And we have to provide the group. Here LVM admin, or let's select LVM super admin and click on next. So our configuration is done. So now return to task list and now take a restart of our system. Okay friends, so our system is started. And here just enter Lama. And here guys, you can see that this is our Lama system, Lama console. This is our SAP landscape management console. Here we have dashboard and operations, what kind of operations we have, then provisioning, management studio, monitoring, configuration, setup, infrastructure. So these are few of the things that we can do here. So guys, in our next video we are going to cover about our SAP landscape management, that how we need to set up it and then how we are going to use it in our real life or in our day-to-day scenarios. So I hope you will like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.